guys, I'm fumbling. And I'm also still sick. Oh my god. Yep. Not today, buddy boy. Yes, no, bro. You trying to kill me? Why you trying to kill me? Oh. So, if y'all you guys like him, I will like you. If you don't, unsubscribe now because I'm gonna kill y'all. Bioflash, the two fire never get I'm gonna crash out. I'm gonna crash out. Out if I don't get a roll. Holy crap, is that a person? Oh my god, I'm running. Did they just freaking teleport? Nah, bro. Nah, bro. And if you guys like some Justin, just join his group. And then you can get his yes, Justin. Let's kill the sentry. Mind you little butthead. How am I missing? Because if I rage, I have to stop the video. And guys, this is going to be a long video. Probably it's just 30 minutes and I've already raged, but I didn't leave. I mean, it's just, if I raged, but... Shooter! Becky! Sorry about that, guys. My mom is being very annoying and sassy. Rose on mobile. Rose on mobile. Why are you on mobile? What is that we talk about? Like, and what is this fit though? So weird. I get murdered per second. This stupid game. I'm gonna race.